Hey, this is Darren, and a common question we get is whether the MOVAO Mini can be used in neurological rehabilitation. Conditions like a stroke, traumatic brain injury, incomplete spinal cord injury, or Guillain-Barré syndrome. And the answer is it depends if your quads are firing and you can actively extend the leg. And I'll show you a good test for that. This is a patient of mine with left-sided weakness after a stroke to test for active knee extension. So you're going to support the heel with one hand and place the other hand under the knee. Flex the knee to about 50 degrees, then ask the patient to push through as hard as they can. And push, there you go, good. Thanks. Now you can see that he is able to generate some force, so the Mini is a great option to improve motor control, simulating a sit to stand using those quads. Next, to assess how much assistance the patient will need, place the foot flat on the bed with the knee flexed to 9 degrees and ask the patient to hold the knee straight up towards the ceiling. And hold it. Good, try to pull it up. Good. If the leg drifts outwards, this indicates weakness of the inner thigh muscles. And in that case, the patient's probably going to need a little hands-on assistance to maintain proper leg alignment during the exercise. All right, so he was able to generate force. So now let's set the patient up on the MOVAO Mini. We're going to place the foot on the foot plate and use the foot strap to help maintain leg alignment. Flex the knee to introduce resistance and instruct the patient to push through the heel to extend the knee. They're going to hold extension for 3 to 5 seconds and then return slowly to the starting position. Also emphasize keeping that knee aligned straight up throughout the entire movement. You'll notice I'm having to provide a little bit of gentle pressure to the lateral knee here to prevent it from drifting outwards. Increase resistance when the movement becomes too easy. Another common question we get is how many reps should I do and how often? Recovery after neurological injury depends on neuroplasticity, or the brain's ability to rewire itself and find new pathways to the muscles. That rewiring occurs through repetition. The more high-quality, controlled repetitions you perform, the more opportunities you give the brain to relearn motor pathways. As a general rule, I kind of like to tell people to do about 100 repetitions per day. You can do that 50 reps in the morning, 50 in the afternoon, but whatever kind of feels good. Remember, high-quality repetitions are what is really needed for neuroplasticity. Hope this helps. Thank you.